Hi everybody, hope everybody is doing really well today. I was watching ScoutCrafter's video last night of the 444 Red Devil pliers. Did an unbelievable job in engraving the lettering on it. Well, anyway, he did the little screwdriver challenge. I thought, oh, I think I can beat that. So I thought, oh, let me zoom in a bit. So I thought I could probably beat the little. I've got loads of those. So apparently I've got this caliper, but for some reason the inches, it doesn't make much sense to me because the lines are not easy to count for some reason. So this one metric junk. So so let's see how I've got. So I've got this one here, which is a GPO broad arrow. Let's have a look. Oh, that's 5 inch, so that's not going to be. I think ScoutCrafter's was 3 and 13/16, and Stuart from Scrounge's Workshop was 11/16. Let's have a look. So next one along the lines, that's not going to work. 4.5 inch, definitely not. Then this one is just a fraction under 4. I'd say 15/16, probably 3 and 15/16. And this one here, maybe 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13/16. I think it's ScoutCrafter. It's the same as ScoutCrafter, so no, I can't beat ScoutCrafter, unfortunately. I think it's 13/16, and also it looks like it's had a bit of a dodgy grind, so quite possibly it would be slightly longer, so maybe 14/16. So no, I can't beat it. That's depressing. But I have a new challenge. Can anybody have the smallest wooden handled screwdriver? Mine is, well, it's just under 3.25 inch, so it's, yeah, just under 3.25 inch in size for a, yeah, just a fraction under 3.25 inch, or just a fraction over 8 centimeters. So that's my challenge. Can anybody beat my 3 inch little guy? That's what I want to see. But yeah, so no, I can't beat John. I'll have to keep an eye out for a smaller one now to see if I can beat it. All right, so let's move on to today's items I've picked up. Right, guys, so these are the items I've picked up recently from all over the show. Some have been swaps, some were gifts, some were eBay purchases, some were swap or whatever, you know, all sorts of things. So yeah, so let's have a look. So the first item is this wonderful pair of 502 E.A. Berg Eskilstuna, Sweden pliers. Now, I saw these on my buddy Nick H's channel, and I said to Nick, I said, oh, if you fancy doing a swap, let me know. He said, oh, you can have those. So he came over to my house and he dropped these off on the way back to, I think he was going to Birmingham for a day trip or something. So Nick, thank you very much. I did give Nick a little bit of treasure to take home with him. I can't remember what it was. But Nick absolutely loved these pliers. They were absolutely a dream. Obviously, I collect Swedish tools, and Berg, E.A. Berg, is part of Baco. So he did say when he saw those, he went, oh, I know where they're going. So Nick, thank you very, very much. These are beautiful pair of pliers. I hope you're happy with the map tool. That was it. The next one is what you call buyer's remorse. There was a blurry picture for a Jaguar toolkit spanner. £10, buy it now, plus £4.50. I thought, oh, I don't think I've got that type. And it arrived, and it was a cheap spanner, and somebody's just engraved it with an engraving machine. So effectively it's a counterfeit. So it's probably a £2 spanner or a $2 spanner, and somebody's just badly engraved it. You can see they've caught the lip the you know, so that was depressing. So I contacted the seller. I said it's not a toolkit Jaguar spanner. I said it's just an ordinary spanner. He said, oh no, I mean it's suitable as a replacement to go in a Jaguar toolkit spanner. I said, you've engraved that yourself, it's shiny. I said, that's not right. So the seller said, well, there's no point you returning the item because you will have to pay the postage and then and it's just not worthwhile. You might as well keep it. So I thought that was not great. But I think it's what you call buyer's remorse. I should have looked properly, but that's my fault. I do that a lot. The next items, I got the big backhoe drill from Sweden from my buddy Tommy, and he sent me 3 other items. I couldn't find them. I nearly threw the packaging away. I said, are you sure you put those in? Well, anyway, after searching it and searching the packaging, it was hidden very well. There's 2 4-inches. We have a carbon steel Blazer Phoenix 904, and then we've got a Dowidat 4-inch missing the thumb wheel. He chucked those in, and what he really chucked in, which I thought was a real gem, was this beautiful brass set of dividers. I think these are really nice, really lovely items. So thank you very much for those. Absolutely a dream. Right, so my buddy, he's got an Instagram account, something spanners, crack spanner, said, oh Ben, I've got another spanner for you. This is a wedged spanner, so you can push the button and you can adjust it like so for adjust it. So a Clyburn style sort of puffin neck spanner, but with the wedge design. Really kind of a rare spanner, really. He let me have that, I think, for 20 quid or 25 quid with the shipping, something like that. Really nice little item. Shame it's got a chipped jaw, but that's Cracked Spanner. I'll put a link below to his Instagram. You go check him out. Does a lot of engineering tools. I do already have one of those. You push the wedge and then you can adjust it and push the wedge that way. But this one is a little bit nicer. It's marked with the maker's name, but you can see it's basically the exact same thing. So that was quite a nice little pickup. Thanks to Cracked Spanner for that. We've got this one, which was heavily rusted. I've wire wheeled it and it's pretty pitted on this side, but it's quite a rare adjusting spanner, and you might have guessed the reason why I bought it is because I already have one. So this is a size 1 and this is a size 2. If you can see that, size 2. I think they go up to like a size 6 or size 7, but that's the start of the sets for those, so that's a bit of fun. Now I've got this one here, which a buddy of mine found at a local antique flea market and sent me a picture, so I bought this off him. This is a Domino number 380, and some of you might have guessed why I decided to pick that up, because it's a set. So I thought that was a bit of fun. So that's quite a rare spanner. I was quite pleased with that. I do have this one already, so it will go in the swaps pile, but this one's better condition than the one I have. It's even got looks like the patent number there as well. It's really lovely condition, really sharp. It's had very light use. Right, and then probably the rarest and the most unusual item is this. I've covered up the patent number because my buddy Bob is doing a wonderful book, and the patent number, he's researching it for his book, so there'll be a new wrench book coming out soon. But this is a Snail brand adjusting spanner, very rare. I only know of one other example in existence. Extremely rare Snail brand pipe wrench. I don't think this was put into production at all because they're just not around. You do see Snail brand pipe wrenches, reasonably common like this with the F-type, but to have this type of Snail brand is quite unusual design, quite a clever design, and the condition of it is really lovely. Like you'd expect this knurling to be really pitted and damaged. It's really nice. I've not cleaned it. The teeth are really sharp. I wouldn't say it's NOS, but I don't think it's really been used much at all. So that's the items I've picked up. Don't forget, if anyone can beat the 3 1/4 inch wooden handle screwdriver challenge, let me know. Unfortunately, I can't beat ScoutCrafter. I can draw ScoutCrafter with a 13/16, but mine's been ground down a little bit, so I'm not sure if I really do drawing. All right, thanks for watching my mini tool haul. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.